May 16, 2025, Washington, D.C. Federal prosecutors have notified families of victims from the fatal Boeing 737 MAX crashes that the Department of Justice is considering abandoning its criminal case against the aerospace giant, a move that has stunned and infuriated survivors and their legal teams. The announcement came during a virtual meeting between DOJ officials and families of those lost in the 2018 and 2019 tragedies, which claimed 346 lives in Indonesia and Ethiopia. The DOJ had previously reached a deal with Boeing in which the company would plead guilty to a single count of fraud and submit to sweeping oversight reforms. That plea, however, was never formalized in court. According to Paul Cassell, a law professor representing many of the families, the DOJ's latest update was not a genuine consultation, but a prearranged conclusion to let Boeing avoid meaningful accountability. Attorney Robert Clifford, leading a separate civil case against Boeing, called the development offensive and vowed to challenge it in court. The original deferred prosecution agreement, struck during the Trump administration, shielded Boeing from criminal liability if it paid a fine and met a set of conditions over 3 years. While Boeing initially appeared compliant, that changed dramatically in January 2024 when a 737 MAX operated by Alaska Airlines experienced a mid-air panel blowout, prompting renewed scrutiny. Subsequent federal probes questioned Boeing's safety practices, and by May 2024, the DOJ determined that Boeing had violated the terms of its deal. The company then agreed to plead guilty to fraud, pay $243.6 million in penalties, invest nearly $500 million in safety reforms, and accept an independent monitor. But in December, U.S. District Judge Reed O'Connor rejected the deal, citing concerns over the monitor selection process. The DOJ requested more time to review the case, but by March 2025, reports surfaced suggesting Boeing was negotiating to withdraw its guilty plea altogether. Judge O'Connor has since set a trial date for June 23rd. At the center of the case is a flight control system introduced on the 737 MAX, designed to counterbalance larger engines and prevent stalls. Prosecutors allege that Boeing's technical pilots deliberately concealed key information from the FAA, downplaying the system's capabilities and preventing airlines from requiring additional pilot training. That concealment led to 2 catastrophic crashes in a span of 5 months, with pilots unprepared to handle the system's automatic nose-diving behavior under unexpected conditions.